Chaokhatpa Haibasina Manipur Tangdu Leitadaba Amadi Lalhoubagi Thouong Shing Loishinba Ngamgani haina Chief Minister Yumnam Khem Chana Phongdokre Wafamasi New Delhi da Pangthokpa Niti Ayog Amadi Awang Nongpok State Singi Chief Minister Amadi Chief Secretary Singi Khana Nainaba Mifamda Mahakna Phongdokibani Mifamaduda Chief Minister Yumnam Khem Chana Hai Haukiba Chahi Khara Asida Manipur asi Sel Thumgi Fibam Yauna Chaokhat Lambida Awaba Kaya Mayok Naraga Lakli Niti Ayog asi Manipur Amadi Awang Nongpok Lamdam Chaokhat Hanbada Achauba Fambak Ama Oiribani Manipur gi Sel Thumgi Fibam Fagatnaba Ministry Singna Ningthina Mateng Pangnaba Amadi International gi Partner Singa Samna Hannabagi Thabakta Niti Ayogna Mateng Pangbiu Haike Magna Makha Taraduna Imphal Railway Project Yauna National Highway Semgat Sagatpagi Project Amadi Imphal International Airport ki Terminal Pauthok Chauthok Hanbagi Thabagasi Atubada Loishinbagi Tangai Fadaba Chauna Lei Hariba Project Singasina Manipurda Ahoma Pudaknanabagi Maru Oiba Machak Singni Loinana Imphal Ring Road Project Imphal Elevated Highway Amadi Imphal More Railway Project Asidasu Niti Ayogna Angam Mateng Pangbiu Haina Chief Minister Yumnam Khem Chana Apil Tauki Magna Makhatana Phongdokibada State Manungi Oiba Singnaba Sing Amadi Miyam Madagta Umkhatnabagi Fibam Ama Leiba Sina Lanai Investor Singda Chauna Pukning Hantahale Masida Sunatana State Asida Paikat Liba Tongan Project Singi Semgat Sagatpa Amadi Maintenance Ta Ahen Bachading Kaya Taunabagi Maram Amasu Hele Security issue Sing Mayuk Naba Infrastructure Project Singi Vulnerability Gap Funding Pibangamba Special Fiscal Intensive Framework Ama Puthokpada Niti Ayog na Mateng Pangbiu Manipur Masagi Tax Revenue si Revenue Receipt ki Chada Tarakhak Oibana Chaokhat Thourangi Senthang Thadabada Awaba Mayok Nabana Central Grant Singda Chauna Mapan Tangli Maramaduna State Asigi Fiscal Capacity Hengat Hannabagi Lambi Sembada Niti Ayog na Mateng Pangbangam Gani Haina Chief Minister Y Khem Chana Makhatana Phongdokhi